Hey, this is Darryl Smith. Welcome to my weekly marketing tips. Today we're going to talk about the 3 must-dos for effective lead generation. This is Darryl Smith, and today we're going to talk about the 3 must-dos for effective lead generation. You know, this is a very simple video, but it's a very important topic to your business. And so leave me some comments, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. The button is right below. Again, we're talking about 3 must-dos for effective lead generation. Now, leads are essential to your business because you are going to want to have a constant stream of leads to make sales of your product or your service. And without leads, there is really no business. And as I said before, you want to turn your leads into an email list because an email list is a potential list of customers that you control. And unlike social media that you don't control, you'll always have access to your email list. So check my last video that I did, the 4 essential elements of a lead capture page. That video talks about the importance of leads and how to build an email list. But we're going to talk about today the 3 keys to generating the leads that you can use to build your email list. The first essential factor is understanding your target audience's pain points. In order to be successful in generating leads, you have to have an intimate knowledge of your audience's pain points. Now, a pain point is what problems are your target audience having. So it is important that you address your target audience pain points in your marketing. So if a person has a pain in the foot and it just throbs and throbs constantly, that person will continue to put their best efforts into finding something that will relieve that pain. Because until that foot pain is relieved, that person just cannot comfortably focus on anything else. Now, this is the same concept or idea that is behind knowing your target audience's pain points. You will, in your marketing, speak directly to your target audience's pain points. Now, the second must-do is positioning. Positioning is the art of making your solution appear as the very best solution for your target audience's pain points. A how-to headline is the very best method to accomplishing this combined with a very simple message. Getting too technical will just scare your audience away. So a key to online success is taking something that appears to be complex and making it simple. You want to make your prospect say, yes, I think I can do that too. So learn to master the skill of positioning and you will be on track to generating leads. Now, the third and final must-do is that you have a compelling offer, meaning that your offer is essentially the solution to your target audience's pain point. So when you have the solution and your audience becomes aware of it, then they will be more willing to give you their contact information. And when a prospect gives you their contact information, then they truly become a lead. So when you're creating a compelling offer, do not attempt to solve too many of your target audience's problems all at one time. Because you want to remember that you want to keep everything simple. Discussing too many pain points at one time can be quite overwhelming to your prospect. So you want to focus on one major problem that your prospect faces, offer the solution to that problem, and this will sufficiently compel them to take action and move on what you have. So when you combine these 3 must-dos, you will generate leads consistently. Well, this is Darryl Smith. That was my weekly marketing tip, the 3 must-dos to generating effective leads and lead generation. And take my advice. Tune in next week for my weekly marketing tips. And the only way you can do that without missing anything is, again, hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment to this video, and also like this video. This is Darryl Smith, and I'll see you with my next weekly marketing tip.